Okay, this is another request from our followers. A song from Default. This is Wasting My Time. So, let's go. So, the tuning is standard E. It's E, A, D, G, B, and E. So, for the intro, it's open D, and then G2, and then B3. Strum it. And then you will play the E, the open E. And then remove the G2. Tanggalin mo yung G2. The next would be same pattern, E5, and then B3 pull off, slow. Yung sunod, ganito. So, instead na, ito yung pangalawa. It's 5E, pull off, para at least maging open yung E. And then, same with B3. So, slow. For the chorus, I played like this. So, yung chords doon is G, G5, and then B5. Pero I played dito sa may lower part. So, medyo matingkad yung ano niya, yung sounds niya. Compare dito. Parang more on bass. So, from G5, like this. Then press again the G, and then open, and then B, and then press again the B. Yung technique ko doon, naka-bar lang ako dito para di na ako kasi mahirap babalik ulit sa dati. So, like this. Slow. Then back to G again. And then A. So after nun, back to na dun sa intro. Dong isang harmonics dun na sa second verse, dun sa isang gitarista nila. So like this one. It's G2, slide to G4, and then D4, D5, D2, and then half bend dito sa G2. So slow. Okay, dun sa second chorus, di ba, yung first chorus is G, E, G. So, twice na silang i-play. So, like, kasi after nun, yung guitar solo na. So, I played like this. Bagsakan pa rin dun sa A5. So like this one. Would be the guitar solo. Okay, for the guitar solo, I played like this. From this one, it's G2. Ito yung first part. G2, tapos open, and then D4, hammer sa D5, and then slide to D2. So slow. That's the first part. Yung second part, twice open the A, and then twice open the D. Like this one. So slow. Slow again. Slow again. So from this one, yung D2, slide ka na dun sa D4. slide again to D5, slow, and then next would be open A twice, dun sa pinakauna from the top. And then yung slide mo lang sa pagka open mo ng A, slide ka sa A4. Back to A2. And then back to D4. D4, D2, A4, A2, and then open. So from the top. The next would be it's D. From D4 slide to D7. Slow. It's D7, D5, then D4. So from the top, yung slow. And then next would be it's G7 and then B5, hammer on sa B7 and 8. So slow. Then next would be B7 and then B8 and then E9. So from B7, hammer on sa B8, then hammer din sa 9, E9. 9E, slide sa 9-7, E7, slide sa E5, and then B8, so slow. And then from B8, balik ka sa B7, so slow. Hammer on sa B8 and then E5 again, open, and then B7, bend, half bend lang. Then open B, and then B3. So slow. From the top para at least makuha nyo. Okay, for the ending part, yun na yung chorus eh. Pero may ibang riff sila dun na ginawa. So, something like this. So yun yung difference nung riff dun sa ending part. So parehas din dun sa una. Okay, so that's it. So yun yung guitar tutorial ko for Wasting My Time ng Default. So yun lang. Thank you very much for watching, and then please follow me dun sa Facebook ko, and then don't forget to subscribe din dun sa YouTube channel ko. Maraming nag-request so hindi ko pa nabubuksan yung messenger ko, pero marami pa rin akong ituturo regarding dun sa guitar riffs. So yun lang, that's it. So good day, happy Sunday everyone, and then